Hi, in this video we will see what is floor function in Tableau. So floor is another number function. So it helps us to round up the integer value and it returns the value as an integer. But floor function doesn't actually round up the value. So in order to know this function better, we will first take one example. So here I will create one calculation field. I'll set the title and here I'll type the function. So floor function takes one number. So it takes one number as input, and on the right side we can see the definition of this function. So the floor function round up a number to the nearest integer of equal or lesser value. So in order to understand it in a better manner, we will take one example as a, let's say, 4.1234, and after that I click on apply. Okay. Now I will take this floor function and drop it onto the text. After that, click on this drop down, go to measure and select average. So we can see it is returns the value 4. So if I go to the function again and I will, if I round up this particular value which I have taken inside the function, so this is actually will come up as a 4. But if I take change the number, now I'll set the 4.9234 and again I click on apply, and we can see it is still showing me 4 instead of 5. So floor function actually returns the lowest number, which is so we can see here uh, on the right side it is showing the floor roundable number to the nearest integer of the equal or lesser value. So in this case the nearest integer is 4, so it won't take 5, it will take 4 as a floor value. So if I use 5.9 and click on apply, it will so you can see it will be giving the answer, will give us the answer as a 5. But here is one thing. Let's take one example as a, there is a axis. So in the axis there are two sides. One is positive side and one is negative side. So if the number is in positive, so let's say this example 5.924. So it will round up the value towards the 0. So we can say 5 is less than 9. But if I take the example as a minus of 5.9234, so it will convert this number as a minus of 6. So see, so it will so the minus value converting the number away from 0, and the positive value round up the number towards the 0. So this is how the floor function works in Tableau. And thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more.